put salt on the lime zest, and thank me. I'm sure you will be impressed with the use of this mixture. To start today's tip, we will use for limes, being the main item for this recipe. With the help of a knife, we will cut in half. The best of this tip is that we will use the peels of limes that would be thrown in the trash. With the help of a juicer, I will completely remove the liquid from the lime, and separate. We can usually use the juice as a seasoning, or even for the preparation of a juice. As soon as we separate all the shells, we'll take them to a pot. This tip is prepared entirely in the pan, and to complete, we will also add 2 tablespoons of salt. Being the second most important item for this tip, the use of salt is most suitable, mainly for removing rust stains, also serving for other types of stains. Next, I will also use a tablespoon of baking soda. To complete, I will also use water. The ideal is to cover the other ingredients. We will mix well until completely diluted, salt and baking soda, and then leave on the fire until boiling completely. Once you are at this point, we will remove the pan from the fire, and then with the help of a sieve, we will completely remove the liquid, being the most important for the mixture. Next, we will use the last item for this tip, which is vinegar. The amount for use is 100 milliliters. Vinegar acts directly in contact with lime and baking soda, which makes this tip perfect for use in your home. We will mix one last time, and with this, we already have our tip today ready for use. To facilitate the application, I will put the liquid completely in a bottle. I am using a bottle with a capacity of 500 milliliters. It is more than enough for use for at least 2 weeks. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jean, Broadway, Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure you will thank me for the use of this mixture. It serves all types of surfaces. In addition to acting on cleaning, it also acts directly against insects. Tell me later if you got the expected result. For this tip, I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.